calculate the area of the triangle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the exact same triangle upside down. Now, I'm able to do this because I'm on my computer, but you could just draw it upside down. Let's see what happens. So here's the exact same triangle upside down. Well, this looks familiar. It's a parallelogram. And we know how to find the area of a parallelogram. So area of a parallelogram is just base times perpendicular height. So let's see if we can identify those. We've got the base, which is 10, and a perpendicular height, the one that's at right angles, which is 5. So I don't even care about the 8. So that's 10, which is the base, times 5, which is 50. Now that is the area of this whole parallelogram here. I only want the area of one of these triangles. Well, there's 2 triangles here. So 2 triangles is 50 centimetres squared. So one of those triangles I need to divide by 2. So 50 divided by 2 is 25 centimetres squared. So that's why the formula for the area of a triangle is base times height, or base times perpendicular height, to get the parallelogram, and then you divide by 2. Base times height, divide by 2.